And all sa mga bisita namin, magandang umaga. Thank you for coming here. And to introduce to you our group, that is the TUBO, which stands for the United Barkadahan OFW. TUBO sa Jeddah, and this is our induction of officers and members. So sa mga members sa ating FB page, thank you for coming. Bali, initial pa lang to. Unang pagpapasalamat pa lang. For being here, it's already, paano bang, we could not express how we felt this moment for just being here with us. And so, formally, we're now going to start the program for this first segment of our induction. So, for the doxology, we'll be having the prayer, and it will be by our very own Brian Gao.
Hindi na ako papatayo pa ako.
Patayo, may prayer bang nakaupo?
Okay, let's just imagine it will be. Hello. So.
Give us faith so the place. God has given your grace. Sento cerchi sangue.
Thank you.
Hello. Please remain standing for our national anthem since it's Independence Day. Let us show our nationalism and patriotism to our very own Philippines. Okay, please be seated. You can now take your seat. Okay, so let us hear from our very own First Lady, Madam First Lady, for the mission and vision of Tubo. So, maybe you're wondering what is Tubo, ano ba yung mission ng Tubo, para saan ba yung Tubo? So, let us hear from Madam First Lady. From Saxony.
Ay, madam.
Mission to develop an advocacy-driven social network group for the holistic growth of an OFW promoting Filipino hospitality, showing love for God, concern for others, and for the global community. Ito ay nagsisimula sa social network na nauwi sa pakikipagkita hanggang mabuo ang isang pakikipagkaibigan na walang hinahangad kundi kabutihan sa kalooban para sa isa't isa. Maraming Pilipino ang nasa iba't ibang bansa na patuloy na lumalaban sa pagsubok ng buhay at atin silang lalapitan, kakamustahin, kakaibiganin para sa isang advokasya na minimithi ay matutugunan ang pangangailangan ng bawat Pilipino. Vision, a unique combination of talented and skilled individual OFW, sharing excellent discipline, centralized and building hope. Opportunity and friendship, striving for a desirable change in society and life far away from home. Ang hangad ng ating grupo ay ang maging kapakipakinabang sa ating mga kababayan na naghahanap ng kalinga para malabanan ang lungkot at pangungulila sa pamilyang ating iniwan sa bansang Pilipinas para sa ikagaganda ng kinabukasan ng bawat pamilya. Pamilyang dito sa ating grupo matatagpuan para sa ikatatagpuan ng bawat sarili at pakikipagkaibigan para sa pagbabago ng buhay na naghahangad ng pag-asa, oportunidad sa gitna ng kinaharap na hirap at kaginhawaan sa buhay. I thank you.
So, yan po ang mission and vision ng ating samahan, ang tubo. Sa mga hindi pa nakakalam po ng bakit ba nagkaroon ng tubo, malalaman nyo later on. Yun eh. Later on, hindi ko sasabihin kasi ano yun. Well, para naman makilala natin at malaman natin kung sino ba at bakit ba nagkaroon ng tubo, sino ba ang mga nangangasiwa sa tubo, bakit ba may tubo. So, atin pong kilalanin ngayong gabi, ngayong umaga na pala, kung sino ang mga pasimuno. Pasimuno talaga na. Pasimuno sa tubo. So, umpisan natin sa pinakaulo. Sa pinakaulo ng tubo. So, our president is Mr. Almario Tacalcap. Also known, gulat kayo no, di nyo alam yung pangalan niya. Well, para mas makilala nyo siya, he is wild studying sa Facebook. So he is from a graduate from Iris University. He is with BHS company as a technical office manager. Next is our external vice president. Ito, pumapangalawa sa kanang ulo. Our Mr. Eric De La Cruz Saigon. Eric Saigon also. Kailangan ko pang sabihin ito. Yes, with Bella Rosa Restaurant. So ito, sa kaliwang ulo naman to, internal vice president is Mr. Alan Paul Flores. Makikita nyo siya, yung mga nasa chat box, mga ano, alam nyo na kung sino siya. He is graduated from University of the Philippines, Diliman, with a BFA Visual Communication, and is connected with Arabian Crafters Company as Executive Assistant of the CEO. Of course, with these three upper head, right head, and left head, meron tayong executive secretary. Executive secretary is no other than Maria Andrea Raquis de la Cruz, also known as Andrea de la Cruz. Andre. She is a graduate from University of Perpetual Health Delta, and he is connected with Saudi Airlines, a private nurse. And we have also in any organization, meron tayong mga taga-ikat yaman. Ito yung lagi nating tikitan pag mga kailangan tayo, pag may mga kainan, may gusto kayong bilhin, ito, tikitan nyo. Our treasurer, Ms. Joy Pahara. Ayun, bulat kayo, no? Maganda yung pangalan niya. Mas maganda pa yung... Kung maganda yung pangalan niya, mas maganda pa yung pangalan niya sa Facebook, which is Princess Mucha, Yods Mucha. So, she's also a graduate from Maryland University as connected with Summer Group. So, ito naman yung susunod is yung naninita sa ating treasurer. We had our auditor, Mr. Paul Boitrago. Mr. Paul Boitrago, a graduate from Colegio de San Agustin, Bacolod City. He is connected with King Abdulaziz Medical City, National Guard Hospital as nurse. And next, we had a PRO. Ano ba PRO? That is yung mga makakapalang pagmumukha. Yan, ang mga PRO. Eto, kilalanin nyo na mga makakapalang pagmumukha. We have Christopher Parrell, also known as Ako si John John. A graduate from University of St. Louis University, Baguio, and a degree of electrical engineering, Giganata, and is connected with National Amusement for Project Trade and Company. Next is Mr. Mark Francis Uy. He graduated from Sacred Heart College, and he is connected with Dr. Hadi Daya Medical Specialties Dermatology Nurse. Also is isa pang pinaka makapal ang mukha, Domingo Ventura, a BSPA graduate from Manila, is connected with Venetia Restaurant. Asa na yung isang pangatlong pinakamakapal ang mukha? Ayan. Yan yung mga ano natin, mga frontliners natin. Pag may mga gusto kayong makilala, lapitan nyo sila. Sila yung magpapakilala doon sa gusto nyo.
Wala nga kami.
And next we had a disciplinary officer. Bakit ba siya napili? Okay, eto, wag nyo itong sasalingin. Dahil siya ang ating disciplinary officer. Miss Rose... Nasawid tuloy ako. Rosemary Thomas Punong Bayan. And nasa Minus College Pagkawain Bulacan, a BS Nursing graduate, and she is connected with... Thank you. Anam Center. We had also, yan ha, kung mayroon tayong mga disciplinary officer, meron silang mga alalay, alagad. Eto, we term them as PSG. So, mga ano natin to, sila yung mga sanggang dikit, magiging panangga ng tubo sa mga gustong sumaling sa tubo, sa gustong umalaban sa tubo. Sila yung ihaharap natin. Our PSG, we have Mark Jason Custodio. Asan? Next, we have Limson Panganiban, also known as John Mark Madrigal. Limson Panganiban. Next, we had Raymond Sereno Corativo. We also have Hector Mark Aloro Palamos. Wala. Meron na to? And we also have Wilson Penalosa Abiles. Ayan ha, katawang-katawan pa lang. Wala nang panama. And also have Jeffrey Dinglasa. Oh. Jeff, tingnan nyo mga... Yan ang ating mga PSG. Yan yung maiharap natin sa sasaling sa mga gustong pumalaban sa tubo. And we have for the chairman of committee, we have Charmaine Alionar. And also Mark Anthony Albiento. And next we have the chairman of the committee for committee chairman also, Mr. Brian Gambal Bao. Yung kumanta kanina, so yan. And committee and sports, we have Narlon Gabion and Joel Ascan. And Commissioner of Public Affairs, we have Alvin Ongray and Brian Carriazo.
Ano yun? Sinasabi ka ba? Parang isa yata
Commissioner of Public Affairs, sila yung mga ano. Bakit ba Commissioner of Public Affairs? Kasi may mga sasakyan, kung kailangan nyo pumunta ng consulate, may ka-date kayo, wala kayong masakyan, kontakin nyo sila. And of course, advisors, yours truly for the ethics and counseling. Ewan ko, bakit ako napunta doon? And for safety and page guidance, we had Restituto Reyes.